All right, we're going to start here with chapter 16 and the innate immune system. So we're going to start with that first line of defense. All right, and in terms of the innate immunity, this is going to be part of your immune system that you're born with, and it's always going to be active. All right. The big downside to the first line of defense and the nonspecific or innate immunity is there's no specificity to it. Okay? So it can't target specifically the chickenpox virus, although your innate immune system, part of that would be your skin. All right, your skin will keep the chickenpox virus out. All right, but in terms of that, you want to think of the first line of defense here as being physical and chemical barriers. All right, one of those physical barriers is going to be the skin. Okay, so in terms of that, your skin helps keep things out. Things like the cilia that are found in your lungs and your respiratory system, those cilia beat and they keep dirt particles, bacteria, viruses from getting down deeper into your lung. Okay, so the skin, the cilia, and things like mucus are also part of your first line of defense. Okay, mucus that you secrete as part of your mucous membranes associated with the respiratory passageway, that mucus is thick and sticky, so viruses and bacteria get stuck down in that mucus. They don't get further into your body where they could potentially make you sick. Okay. You're also going to have things like your tears that are actually part of your immune system, because associated with your tears there is an enzyme called lysozyme. All right, that lysozyme is essentially an enzyme that'll break down certain proteins. Okay, so that helps protect your eyes from bacteria or viruses that may gain entry via that route. Okay, things like the acid in your stomach, the hydrochloric acid. Okay, most bacteria like a neutral environment. All right, your stomach has a pH of 2. All right, that's going to essentially denature or kill most bacteria that come through the digestive system. All right, it's not going to eliminate everything, because like I said in some previous videos, the number of bacteria that enter via the digestive system is going to be what determines whether or not you get sick or not. Okay, you need to have a high enough number of viral particles or bacteria to make it past that acidic stomach pH to get further down into the digestive system to make you sick. Okay, so in terms of that physical barrier, your skin, cilia are another physical barrier, the mucus, the tears, the acid in your stomach. You're also going to have acid. Essentially, your sweat is going to be slightly acidic. I think typically you're talking about a pH of 6. Okay? Those are all going to be non-specific ways of fighting pathogens before they get into your body. Okay? So it's the first line of keeping those pathogens out. All right? If you have any questions about that, please let me know. Next video, we're going to talk about the second line of defense, and I'm going to talk specifically about some of the immune cells associated with the blood that are going to work to also guard you against invading pathogens.